Ready? So, I'm James. This is Tori.
I'm Tori.
And today we're doing the boyfriend tag with the questions that we're pulling from Zoella's video. Because Tori likes Zoella, so we're going to do those ones.
So do you.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to see.
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh, I've lost it now. Are you alright?
Don't know what that was.
Oh. Questions.
I'm going to pause the video.
Shut up. Okay, question 1. Where did we meet?
Wait,
No? What? What?
I thought we were going to do... Now we're going to start the questions.
Now we're going to start the questions. Question 1. Where did we first meet?
At Tesco's.
Stop it! You need to take your inhaler.
I'll take my inhaler later. We met at Tesco's.
Correct. Where was our first date?
At my house. We sat down and watched horror films together.
Correct. It's not your house, but whatever.
Oh, shared house, whatever it was. I was living there at the time.
What was your first impression of me?
Pretty lady, smart, funny,
That's cute. When did you meet the family?
Family? What, your family?
Yeah, obviously. I can't remember. I don't
second
even know
date,
the
I
answer.
think, because your mum dropped you at the end of the road, and then the second date I walked you to the end of the road so you can get in your mum's car. And then I think it was about 3 weeks after we were first going out that ended up coming round your house to have roast beef with your mum and your sister and your sister's boyfriend. And I got lost on the bus because I stayed on it too long.
I remember.
And I didn't meet your dad until a little while after. Can
Do
you remember when you met mine?
No. I think I came round just for a roast dinner, didn't I?
Yeah.
And it was very awkward.
It was very quiet.
Do I have a weird obsession? If so, what?
Picking everything.
No, you're not putting that in there, say something else. How long have we been together?
2 years.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 years and 2 weeks.
Yeah, correct.
I wasn't the one who didn't get a card.
Do you have a tradition with your girlfriend?
Oh really? Do we have a tradition?
We always have poppadoms with a curry.
Yeah, always poppadoms with a curry, I suppose.
We always watch Mini Lad and Zoella's YouTube videos.
Hashtag please follow. How many fucking questions are there?
There's 30.
Fuck.
We are on number 9.
Oh dear.
What was the first thing you noticed about me?
Green eyes. Ow.
Oh, fuck, I've lost it.
I must have been question 9. Question 10?
What is my favourite restaurant? McDonald's.
Pizza Express.
Correct. What do we argue about the most?
Money.
Yes.
I spend too much on plastic toys.
Not the fleshlight kind.
I'll have to link my Instagram so you can see all my plastic toys.
Who wears the pants in a relationship?
Tori does.
If I'm watching TV, what am I watching?
Family Guy.
No.
Jeremy Kyle.
No.
Breakfast or morning on ITV.
Yes,
So you can laugh at
this morning.
this morning. You can see the voice of Philip and Holly Willoughby.
What is one food I don't like?
Anything with wheat in it.
No, because I do like that. I can't eat it. Something different. There is some food I really detest.
No, you've not really said one to me. Well, I can bring in
5, 4, 3, 2.
What is it?
Bean sprouts. They're disgusting.
No,
They look like they're not grown, and they look. When you chew them, they're like crunchy, but I think they're supposed to be soft. And it's like what warm and crunchy. It's just not right.
Crunchy's best though.
No, it's not. Not in a. Look, when like everything else is soft, it feels like
Yeah.
you're biting into a piece of chicken that's got a bone in it or something.
Oh, not
Yeah.
nice.
Whatever. What drink do I order when we go out to eat?
Water.
Because I am a skin. Don't like spending my money on Coke or alcohol. What shoe size do I wear?
7.
Correct. What is my favourite kind of sandwich? I don't think you'd know this actually.
Ham sandwich?
Yeah.
Ham and cheese sandwich.
No, just ham.
Just ham sandwich. Guess that's what
Actually,
we buy.
tell a lie. No, it's wrong. It is turkey and cranberry stuffing. Only at Christmas though.
That's why I don't know what it is. Crocheting.
What is one talent that I have?
Knitting and crocheting.
Would you like to see some of my creations?
Later.
What?
Later.
Why can't I show you that?
Because then you'll have to find it. We'll have to stop it so you can show them after the video. As a surprise bonus.
I'll put some pictures up in the corner so you can see.
Not over my face.
What would I eat every day if I could? Chinese chicken balls and rice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Chinese chicken balls, egg fried rice, and crackers. I'd eat that every day. Or
Curry.
no, not
Peanut
big,
butter and
not
toast.
big foods like that. It'd be
Peanut butter toast.
shut up, Monster Munch. That's what. What is my favourite cereal?
Chocolate stars.
Correct. Sainsbury's, of course. Organic.
Not sponsored.
What is my eye colour?
Green.
I swear that's one we've already said. Oh, no, that's the
No,
first
that
thing
was
you
the first thing I noticed
noticed.
about you. Was your eye colour was green.
Where
That'd
am
be
I?
embarrassing if I said a different colour right now, wouldn't it?
What is something you do that I wish you didn't?
Fart.
That's true. Is this recording? Yes. Where am I from?
Hailing Island.
Yeah. Do I play any sports?
No.
I used to.
Used to. Wait, would you count running as a sport?
Yeah.
Would
We
you?
run. We go
run.
running now.
She's casually flexing her muscles out of camera shot.
What can I spend hours doing? Looking at YouTube videos.
Looking at YouTube videos or staring at the stars or the sky. She's cute like that.
I've never done that.
You stare at the ceiling.
Ah! Did I poke you in the...
Yeah, you poked me in the eye.
Last question.
That was the last
We're on
question.
number 30 already. This is
Will you
quick.
keep
If I could live anywhere, where would it be?
By the beach in the middle of nowhere in a huge cottage. Probably Scotland.
Probably. But somewhere warmish.
Is that all the questions?
Yeah.
Cool. Total score at the end.
So,
Fucking shit Christ. Fucking shit Christ. Shit Christ.
and the scores on that round are
Bing.
bing, bing, bing.
Somewhere.
So thank you for watching. We've got a few other videos we've done before. They're just like daily vlogs of us buying some custard creams at the co-op. Feel free to have a look and
There'll be a
watch
link at the
them.
end of the video.
They'll be in the corner somewhere, or they'll be at the end. I don't know how that we're going to do that. So give us a like
And a subscribe. And watch my
And-
really bad game videos.
and
Tori.
comment. Give us something. Give a watching, and we'll see you another time. Bye.
just put your thumb in front of it. Oh, fucking shit, Christ.